Welcome, in front of me is a POCO M5 and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold the power key and then select power off. When the phone turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. It looks like I might have held it for a little bit too long, so the device turned back off, so I'm going to do it once more. Just let go of the power key. And there we go. So as you can see, this will boot us into recovery mode. Now when you see the POCO logo, just let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. Now in this mode, you can, I believe, nope, you can't tap on options, so you need to use actually volume keys to navigate. So use volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm whatever is selected. Now that in mind, we can reboot the device, which takes us back to Android. We can wipe data, which will include most likely wipe cache, or nope, in this case just wipe all data. We have connect with Mi Assistant, just an app, or boot the phone into safe mode. Now not much more to show here, it's actually fairly limited recovery mode, so I'm gonna stick with reboot, confirm that, and reboot to system. And this will now take me back to Android like I mentioned. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.